What's going on, guys? I got a package that we are gonna review. Let's go take a look. Alright guys, welcome back to Zenn Magic. So this is a deck. Now, I'm not going to pair it against something, and I think I'm gonna start doing that more often now, because sometimes there just isn't a deck that matches, so I can't always pair them, especially this deck, because this is not even made in the US, and you'll see that. So this is a deck. You can get it on Amazon though, or you can go to the website playingcarddecks.com, I think. But we're gonna take a look at this. Just rip it open. This is the, look at this, bicycle. Ooh, it's a Kickstarter deck, it appears, which I had no idea. Okay, I don't know if you guys will get this too, but I guess I now have a bunch of cards for other decks. This deck, okay, so this is a deck, I don't know the name of it, it's not coming to me right now, but this is a deck that has no pips on it. It's just the faces, so it's a nice clean deck. I forgot the name of it, you guys can look it up. This is, I don't know what deck this is, but there's our double backed card, and then this is the queen for some, I don't know what deck this is. This looks like it is a, yeah, I don't know. And of course I have a Kickstarter ad. So yeah, I was not expecting this, but yeah. Playingcarddecks.com, that's where you can pick up this deck, which we're going to review. I'm going to set these aside. I was not expecting these. If you guys get this deck on Amazon, let me know if you get these. Those are cool. Okay, so this is the Bicycle Matcha playing cards. Matcha, I don't know. Someone in Great Britain can tell me how to pronounce it. They are made air cushion finish limited edition, and this is number 22 of 130. So, by the Bokapo playing card company in the United Kingdom, that's what their logo is. So it's made in the US, but this is Great Britain's playing card company. And oh, it does, okay. I just couldn't see it on camera, but it has the same opening as you'd expect from a deck. You just grab the tab and then tear it open. Or not, whatever. Oh, standard seal. Whatever. Okay. This deck. Okay. This is cool. So, different kind of finish on the box. Like that it's the standard seal. I don't actually have a standard seal. Hold up. Gotta get my sticker sheet. Gonna add this to that because I don't have. Trying to be very careful with this. Gonna add this seal. So this deck, oh no, was on Amazon. It was like 14 bucks. So not that expensive, obviously, because it's just a bicycle logo one, which is kind of interesting actually, that a deck not made in the United States can have the bicycle logo on it. Man, this seal's not wanting to come off carefully. Hold up. Yeah, no, this isn't gonna work. But I still don't like the seal staying on. Alright, here we go. Gonna very carefully. There we go. Gonna stick that right there. There. Now I have a US standard seal. Alright, now let's open up these cards. This is the back design, by the way. Let's see. Now, I'm almost certain that this is number 22 of 130. We will see, because I know there's a card in here that will actually tell you. Basic bicycle information on the tabs. Nothing on the tab on the inside. Ooh, look at that Joker. Those are cool Jokers. Ooh, the ace. Okay, here we go. This is number... That's an ad card for their company. Follow them on Instagram. Win a free limited deck. Huh. Tag your photos and win a free limited deck. I will do that. Yeah, that's what I figured. Number 1 of 2,500. That's what I figured. This isn't actually there. But this probably is, though. 22 out of 130. I would believe that. So look at these cards. Back design, pretty standard. Let's see how they handle. They handle like bicycle. I can smell them from behind the camera. That's... Playing cards have the best smell, guys. They do, though. Like, just a fresh pack of cards. It's a chemical smell, but it's like... It's because they smell fresh. Don't roast me in the comments, guys. You guys like it too, alright? Just take a new pack of cards, but I can smell them coming off the cards. So they're standard faces, but they're colored differently. White, red pips. So I like decks that do that, where instead of red indices, you use white. And these aren't even black, these are dark green. So that's pretty cool. I like the fan with this texture. I've never seen a deck that has a design for the inner fan like this. That's actually pretty cool. And then you have that back design. So, is it supposed to look like cake? I guess it is. It's supposed to look like a slice of cake. Like it's cut up. But that's pretty cool. Like the cherries on there. So you have ad cards. And then you have the 2 Jokers. These are cool. You have an inverted and then a normal one. So that's cool. Right there it says Joker. This is a cool deck. I'm satisfied with my purchase. Ooh. So for the white indices, you actually have yellow on them. That really pops. Like, that's cool. But for these, it's like a little green. Do the other white ones do it? Yes. Oh, this is another one of those decks that does that. Yeah. Wait. No. Yes. Okay. Reverse order. We've seen the Theory 11 decks do this, where you go from ace to ace. So the middle, it flips, and you start fanning the other way. So that's cool. But yeah, just standard new deck order, pretty much. And that is a cool ace Matcha playing cards. It's got like little cut up in it. That's cool. I like this idea of this texture though. That's something that you don't really see on playing cards, but when you fan it, it makes all the difference. What would a reverse fan look like? Ooh, that's cool. When you do a reverse. And then they fan. That's pretty cool. So when you fan them like this, that, and then reverse, yes, I'm satisfied. So this is, again, the Bicycle Matcha playing cards. Again, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. You can get them on Amazon, or you can go to playingcarddecks.com. So yeah, and I like that I got cool cards in here. I don't know what I'll actually use it for because I don't own these decks, but that's cool. Maybe I'll get them and review them. We'll see. I do actually like the idea of this card though. No indices. So yeah, Bicycle Matcha playing cards. Like if you enjoyed this deck, and let me know any decks that you guys want to see reviewed, because I'm running out of decks to review. So let me know what you want to see. If you have any decks of cards, let me know what they are and I'll get them and review them. Let me know your favorite decks in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe if you're new. And remember, we perform to amaze. See you next week.